I just love being outside with children and adults and teaching them and learning the whole environmental process. It's just a great place to be.
My favorite is working with the kids to get ready, and also when they're actually here doing stuff. That's my favorite.